So everything you've seen here is running on Kubernetes, and Kubernetes runs everywhere. But the one thing we hear consistently from customers is that they love the automatic management features of GKE, but that they also need those management capabilities wherever they have compute, whether that's in their own data center, in a grocery store, or on a factory floor, everywhere. So let's go back into the Cloud Console. When we started the demo, I said that this app was deployed across 2 GKE clusters, one in the east and one in the west. But the one thing I didn't tell you is that the second GKE cluster isn't actually running on Google Cloud Platform. In fact, if we zoom into the location field, we can see Moscone listed as the location. This cluster is running on a vSphere rack right here on stage. Today, I am very excited to announce GKE On-Prem, a managed Kubernetes offering that runs inside your data center. With GKE On-Prem, you get the GKE experience directly in your environment. And the best part is that GKE On-Prem looks and feels the same as GKE in the cloud. I can continue to do things like edit configuration, set policy, or even deploy apps to my on-prem cluster, as well as my Google Cloud Platform clusters, all from the same tools. Think of GKE On-Prem as adding an additional zone to your app, but one that's running in your own data center.